Welcome back to our channel.
Today I'm going to be doing a walk around and walkthrough of the G80 to show you guys some details of the car.
If you haven't watched any previous videos, definitely go check them out. Here's the process again of us unloading the car. This felt completely unreal.
Hey guys, so today we have a pretty special car with us. We just recently got this, our newest addition to the club, and there it is. Pretty special to us. I've honestly always wanted an M3, always been a fan. It's just perfect. The form is perfect, the body is perfect, the body contouring is perfect. I will tell you a little bit about its story. That's another feature that I will come to later on. But it's just such a special car. It holds such a special place, and it's just honestly amazing. All right, so here it is. It is the M3 G80 competition. 500 horsepower, 479 foot-pound of torque. I know it might not seem relevant to some people here. A lot of people do go based off of horsepower basically, but it's just such a special car. Even the front, it's so overly aggressive. Even though it is stock and it is original right now, it's such a, especially the lights on this car, it's so, I don't know, it just holds a special place in my heart. And we do have the, well, I call them this, I don't really know the original name, but they are the spiderweb rims. I know that there are more spiderweb looking rims from BMW, but it's just amazing. It is not clean, I know, but it will be cleaned again. It just rained over the past few days here, but it's just amazing. Even the diffuser, it's crazy. It's just so beautiful and perfect, even though it is stock, and it does leave a little bit of room to improve it. Well, actually a lot of room for some people, but it's just amazing. We do have the M calipers on here, dark blue. I just love this car. We're gonna go ahead inside and take a quick look. There we go. So right off the bat, pretty simple, nothing too fancy. We do have the M seats, the M badging that does light up, as some of you may know. We do have the Alcantara lining here. The rest of it is leather, but it is really nice. It's super sporty. I don't know if you can see it. It is bright outside, but you do have the ambient lighting, which the F80 did not have, but it's just crazy to me. It's amazing that we have the chance to actually own one of these and drive one of these cars. It's just beautiful. I will go ahead and start it. I do not know if you can actually hear it right now, but I will hold you outside. You do have on the steering wheel, you do have the M1 and the M2 setting. The M1 is just makes the exhaust louder. You can manual shift, and it makes your shifting more aggressive. Like if I were to turn on M1, I have to put it in drive first, give me a second. If you do turn on M1, you can see that it switches to drive, so you technically have to shift with this one, and it changes the setting. This is actually the setting of the how powerful the shifting will be, and you can also change that on your shifting knob. You have that right here. You just click up, down, whatever you want to have. And if I were to click up right now, you can see it going up very slightly. I don't know if you can see it in the brightness of day right now, but it's just an amazing car. This is just another setting from BMW, the M2 that you have right here, and that just gives you It just goes up to level 2 basically of 3. And it's just, I don't even know what to tell you guys, to be honest. It's an amazing, amazing car. I know that some of you might not really agree with me on this, but it is, even though it is a stock exhaust, it is, in my opinion, pretty loud. I do love loud cars, don't get me wrong on that, but it is, even though it is stock, it is pretty loud. So I don't know if you can actually hear that, but it's just overall, it's amazing. It has the entire competition package. It comes with a carbon roof with the Harman and Kardon speaker system, the ambient lighting, the competition seats, not the carbon bucket seats, unfortunately. Would have loved that. You know how we all love carbon, but it's pretty simple, honestly. There's not much to say about the inside. We do have the designated M strapping on the seat belts. Beautiful engine, but it's just, I don't know, it's crazy. It's crazy to believe that we are actually able to own one of these cars and drive them, honestly. And there will be a lot of fun videos coming with this one. Definitely lowering it, fixing some of the issues, since it does have a few, you can probably see it now in the light. It does, when we got it, it was pronounced as a flood damage. This was an auctioned off car from Copart, actually. It was labeled as a flood damage vehicle, which, as you can see, not really the case. It doesn't smell or anything. It looks perfect. It looks dry and everything. And another problem was that since this is Florida, it probably got thrown into the car wash quite a bit, in my opinion, way too much. So there's a lot of swirling, a lot of scratches going on, a lot of stuff that we don't necessarily really like. It's getting really windy out here, so I hope you can still hear me. But I don't know if the camera actually picks up. Oh, it does. The color difference from the front bumper, it's just crazy overall. It's just, I don't even know what to say. It was just color corrected so badly when they were probably smoothing out the surfaces up here. They probably scraped it down here too, or it really is just from the car wash. It does have some minor imperfections, as you would say. You can see here really well. It's just not shiny anymore. It's as if it were to just stand in the rain every single day and just honestly kind of degrade from there. You can see all the scratches in here. It just honestly breaks my heart as to how actually this kind of car gets to look how it looks. And it's like these scratches, pretty deep scratches, honestly. These are also, they're pretty like bitten in there. They're pretty deep, honestly. I don't know why and how. Since we did have 3 hurricanes over the past summer here in Florida, it was probably out in the storm for most of them, or maybe even all of them. So that's probably why. But we're gonna get that painted, sorted out. And yeah, the future will behold what we're gonna do to this car. It's pretty crazy, honestly. I just can't get over the fact, I may have said crazy a lot of times on this video, but it's just an amazing car.
Thank you for watching today's video.
It would help out a lot if you would like and subscribe.
If you haven't watched any previous videos, definitely go check them out. Drive safe and stay tuned.